Well, first thing first, you're going to click on this print icon and you're going to go down to more options. From down there, you'll see these two-sided options to print on both sides and turn on flip on long edge. And then just simply click on print. And from there, just let the printer do the work. And here's the part where most people mess up. Make sure your letters are upright and flip it from the side and just sort it out from rest of the pages and put it in the machine. And then you'll see this little bar that's showing in the computer. Just click on continue. From there, the printer will do the other side of the paper. And voila, there you have it. Page 1, 2, 3, 4 on both sides of the paper, making it look professional, easy, and, you know, cheap, because you don't have to use double papers for this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.